This time we're hearing from an attorney representing the family of LSU student Madison Brooks, the Covington native who was hit and killed by a car in Baton Rouge. Police say she was sexually assaulted before her death, and 4 suspects face rape-related charges. And as Andres Fuentes reports, the Brooks family attorney says recent comments by their lawyers are shameful.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since Madison Brooks' death. Deputies say the LSU student was seen leaving Reggie's bar with 4 male suspects. They say that when they got into the car, she was raped and then dropped off outside of a subdivision. That's when she was hit and eventually killed by a car.
Really, the goal of Maddie's mom is to never have this happen again, to never have any other family feel the kind of pain that she's feeling right now.
Attorney Carrie Miller is representing Madison's family as 18-year-old Kayvon Washington faces a 3rd-degree rape charge. Everett Lee and Kaysen Carver face principal to 3rd-degree rape, and a 17-year-old who's still in jail faces a rape charge.
Yeah, the legal process is really just starting.
And this, of course, has captured the attention of our city, the state, and the nation.
4 defense attorneys held a press conference Friday in Baton Rouge, arguing that yet-to-be-released videos prove Washington and the 17-year-old did no wrong.
The 2 defendants who engaged in a consensual sexual act with Ms. Brooks did so after obtaining verbal consent.
They also argue that surveillance video from the bar that night raises questions about how intoxicated Brooks might have been.
Read the symptoms of a .319 BAC. The evidence that we've seen so far on the video of Miss Brooks running across the street in front of Reggie's, that undermines the police version of events.
The Brooks family lawyer questions their motives.
To come out and mention evidence that they have but don't show it, to contradict a gold standard blood alcohol test and not say on what basis they're doing it. It was a made-up smear campaign, absolutely shameful.
District Attorney Hiller Moore's office says there is a possibility, depending on evidence, that charges could be upgraded to 1st-degree rape.
If Miss Brooks was alive, this would not be a crime. She would not have complained about it at all. And so the only reason it's there is because the understandable anger in the community wants someone to pay for her death. And we understand that. But our clients did not do that.
People around her should not have taken advantage of her. They should have protected her, gotten her home safely, which is the opposite of what these individuals did.
The district attorney also says that there is a chance a grand jury could be brought in to hear this case. There's also a question of whether the 17-year-old will be tried as an adult. Back to you, Megan, studio.